I've got the Roku Smart Light Strip SE. This one is 16.4 feet and it is colored. So let's check out the sides. Some of the features on here are, you got 16 million colors, you got music sync, and that's going to be the fun one. We also have lighting effects here. It's trimmable. You can do schedules and vacation mode and multi-device sync, as well as there is no hub required. So plug it in and you should be good to go because you're going to download the Roku Smart Home mobile app. On the side here, we've got what's in the box: the light strip, the controller, the power adapter, adhesive clips, alcohol wipes, and of course, again, you need the app and an internet connection. So let's open it up. The quick start guide. Okay, that's not a box that we need. Let's check out what's in here. Box number 1, box number 2. This looks to be, I guess, our controller and some tape to go along with it. And in the second box, we've got the power adapter and cord. So, one more box in here. And there it is. We've got our alcohol wipes and the light strip. So fancy. All right, here it is. Cool. We're going to undo the twist tie here for the controller. We should be able to plug that straight into the light. The other side of the controller has the power connection. Let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in, see what happens. So many colors, beautiful. So here's the actions that you can do. There's the single press, which is to change the color. There's the long press to toggle the mode. The side button has a single press to power it on and off, and a long press to enter the pairing mode. So the side button is right here. And it looks like that's probably the microphone for the music sync. And that is the front button. But of course, this is a smart light, so let's go ahead and check this out with the Roku Smart app on my mobile phone. I'm in the Roku Smart app. Let's go ahead and add the device, which the device will be lights and power, and we will be adding a light strip. So we're going to begin the installation and going through. You're technically, really, they want you to mount the controller wherever it is that you want it to be. Okay, click on next, reinforce with the included clips. Next, and plug in the power adapter. If it doesn't, press and hold the side button for 7 seconds. Oh, now it's pulsating. The strip is pulsing. Oh, we need Bluetooth, so let's turn on our Bluetooth. Okay, and then we'll connect to the Wi-Fi network. And it looks like it found our light strip. So it is connecting and talking. And we're going to call it light strip 1. We can change the icon. Pretty cool. So it's like little rooms within the house that you might be adding your light strip to. Click on done, finish naming. And so now we have the light strip, of course, on and off will work just like that. Turning it back on. There is an update. So let's go ahead and update it. Okay, we've updated the firmware. So click on done, go back to the light strip. We can turn it up in brightness. We can turn it down in brightness. At the very top, there is that plus icon, and that should be able to tell the light strip, hey, sync up this lamp or this lamp with the light strip. And part of the reason why you're going to want to do that is for the music. Oh, we'll have to name the group. Music. however you spell music. Oops, I forgot the other piece. Lights in this group. Select light strip as well, please. Yep, there it is. Okay, and also you'll be able to select all of them. Yeah, so you can see it changing colors. And all the other ones throughout my house are changing colors too. And the main thing is there are other scenes here, but the main thing that is brand new is the music, and it's telling you, oh, be careful, you might be sensitive. If you're sensitive to light, go ahead and change it up. Right now we're playing Shadow. Then there's Leap, which is just jumping from one color to the other. There's Flicker as well. So Flicker turns it on and off. And Shadow is just a slow pulse. Now, of course, there's a sensitivity, which could be higher or lower. Let's do that same thing for Leap. What's it look like? It's changing the color slowly. And then normal. And high. And then for Flicker, that's at high. This is normal. And this is low. All right, I kind of like Shadow the best. So you can change the colors as well, and you click on Edit to delete any one of these in the chain of blue, green, red, and then pink. So, and then if you want to change one particular color, instead of being blue, we can change it to any of these colors as well. Well, let's turn on some music and see what happens. Okay, so you get the general idea of what it looks like between the different modes with some music going on and the wonderful flickering that you'll get. Now, they do, through this device, the light strip, talk to the regular Roku colored bulbs. Let's go ahead and show you what that looks like, because I've got them flashing throughout my entire house right now. Let's see what this actually looks like once you take it out. So again, you would cut along wherever it is that you want to help trim the light strip. Obviously this is a little curled on up here, but just trying to stretch it on out so you can see how long it is. It's the entire couch and then some. Pretty cool. This is what it looks like at night. Pretty legit, very bright. And now it's a party room. This is what it looks like underneath the couch. I mean, very bright. Even though that it's all covered underneath there. Anyway, thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead, hit the like button, and let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions about it. And subscribe to this channel for more videos coming soon.